Good morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here. Welcome to our next Golden Ticket and Shout Out Assembly. As you can see, it is Friday the 12th of June. And this morning, we're starting with our nursery reception year 1 and year 2, Golden Ticket and our shout outs. For all of you who've been posting on Tapestry, working really hard at home. It's still really lovely to see how many of you are posting on Tapestry. So please keep it up. Thank you. We're obviously going to be doing this right to the end of term. So please keep posting, keep that up, keep working as hard as you possibly can, because it's really lovely to see all of that work and lovely smiley faces we're going to see in a minute, because we're going to start with nursery. And in nursery, we've got shout outs for Ava, we've got Harley, Elizabeth, Lincoln, Mason, Charlotte, Willow, Georgia, Keely and Matilda, all working really hard. Lovely to see Lincoln there really trying with his letters and tracing over those as well. Charlotte out, look at that, on their adventure. It looks fantastic. All of you, lots and lots of really smiley faces and thumbs up from all of you. So it's really lovely to see all of you nursery children being really independent. So please do keep that up. It's fantastic to see. But the golden ticket this week in nursery goes to Emily! Well done, Emily, you little superstar. Look at you, absolutely amazing. Taking the dogs for a walk as well and doing on your bike as well and doing lots and lots of messy play. It's really lovely to see you working so hard and being really independent, as well as looking after your big brother. That's really good to see as well. Well done, Emily. This is coming in the post today. Look out for the postman. It's got your name on it. Really huge congratulations and well deserved. Well done, Emily, and we will see you soon. Moving on to reception, you'll see, look at this turtle class. We've got Anna Maria, Rebecca, Scarlett, Beatrix, Danelius, Sophie, Teddy, Jack, Caden and Vitreous, all again working so hard. Look at them in turtle class, really concentrating on their writing, science experiments going on, lots of colouring, lots of bits of maths going on as well, and just everyone really concentrating. Vitreous looking ready there for the army, looking out, you're going on an adventure there, he looks ready for that, he looks well up for it, looks fantastic. And just about to see Teddy hiding in the foliage there. It's really lovely to see such smiley faces and everyone working so hard. Golden ticket though, for turtle class, goes to none other than Jack! Well done, Jack, look at him. Little superstar, absolutely brilliant, Jack. You are working so hard. This is so well deserved, buddy. You are putting work in every single day, and it's really lovely to see how hard you are working all the way through. I am so impressed with you, buddy. Really well deserved, okay? This is heading to you today. Look out for it. Postman should bring it with your name on, buddy. So really well done. Fantastic, Jack. Good lad. Moving on, shark class. Let's have a look in shark class. Look, you've got Lola May, you've got Ben, you've got Ethan, Casey May, Olivia, and Alex, all again working really hard, doing lots of different science experiments. So many science experiments going on in shark class. It's amazing. It's really blown Mr. Allen away today, so really good. Lola May, lots of you, lovely smiley faces, so really lovely to see that shark class. Keep up the good work. And then Ben as well, with his action figures there, doing a little bit of role play. So lovely to see, guys. Please do keep it up. It's fantastic to see. But the golden ticket for shark class goes none other than Mantadas! Mantadas, you superstar. Really well done, buddy. Look, doing your reading. Fantastic. So Pip got a big pan, remember that one? And he's got a bat as well. He can't pick up the bat, can he? He really struggles with that heavy bat, so he's got to use a pan, and he's able to hit the ball. It's a brilliant little book, so I love that book. It really does make me smile. I see you really concentrating there. Really well deserved, buddy. So every day, keep up with your reading, keep doing what you're doing, because it's fantastic to see. And really well deserved. Look out for this coming. The postman's bringing it today. Well done, Mantadas. Moving on to year 1. Look at this. Miss Ruffle, wow, look at this. We've got Jordan, Sky, Tyler, Levi, Rosie, Rebecca, Muntaha, Omo, Oliver, Luca, and Mason, all working so hard. I have to mention Levi here. Stay safe. Levi did a lovely little video like we did with the teachers. Levi, that is such a beautiful video. Thank you so much. It's made us all smile. All the teachers have seen it. We've all watched it. It is so lovely. We're missing you guys as well, and it's really lovely to see. So thank you for that video. It was really kind of you, and it made us all really smile. So, and I love the way that you went through, and you did look like the teachers. It was superb. But all the way through, Omo there working really hard. Luca there on his bike, pedaling really furiously. So really love to see. And so much work going on. So well done, guys. Really impressive. But the golden ticket goes to Ruby! Well done, Ruby. Huge smiley face. It's so lovely to see that. And you are working so hard, Ruby. This is so well deserved. This is coming today in the post. The postman's bringing it. Really, really well done, Ruby. Thank you so much. You absolute superstar. Keep it up, right? Keep posting on tapestry. Keep working hard and look out for this in the post. You superstar. Well done. Moving on. Here we go. Oh, Miss Begum's class. Look at these. You've got Ebony, you've got Jacob, Rosie, Ryan, Casper, Lee, Rion, Olivia, Ramin, Luna, Mia May, and Perla. Look at these guys. Oh my word. Big smiley faces all the way through, even though they're working really hard on their writing, on their maths, on their counting as well, with numbers as well. Look around and look with all the money going on. Luna as well, doing the time. You are working so hard. It's amazing for year ones. Thank you, guys. Please keep it up. I know Miss Begum was blown away by how many of you are working so hard. So really, really well done. But the golden ticket goes to Esma. Well done, Esma. Look at you. Every single photo you're posting, you are smiling. It's so beautiful to see. Look at that handwriting. It is amazing, Esma. It's so well deserved. Joined up beautifully, really formed. Thank you, Esma. You really deserve this. Look out, the postman is bringing it today. Look out for it in the post. Absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Keep it up. Thank you, Mum, for posting on tapestry. It's really, really brilliant. Thank you. Moving on to year 2. Here we go. Look at this. Miss Howkins, superstars. You've got Christophers, Regan, Mahir, Millie, Maya, Jessica, Joseph, and Pandora. All again. Look, Millie, look at Regan's finished his reading record. You are reading so much. Christophers, head down, really working hard. So good to see. Pandora, creating a little den there. It's lovely to see that, and a little bit of role play as well. But really lovely to see the huge amount of work. Look at Mahir's handwriting. It is superb. Miss Howkins has been blown away, guys. So please keep it up. It's lovely to see. But the golden ticket for Miss Howkins this week goes to none other than Milana Kay. Look at this. Look at Milana. Yes, there's not a photo of her, but it's just all of her work. It's no wonder you won this golden ticket. Look at all that maths you've done. It's bonkers. It's brilliant to see. So really well done, Milana. Look out for that, because I know your sister won it last week, but you've got it this week. This is coming in the post to you today. Look out for it. The postman will bring it, right? Well done, Milana. Huge congratulations, hun. Moving on, finally to Mrs. Cook, and you'll see Mrs. Cook has got lots and lots of shout-outs. You've got Abe, you've got Daniel, you've got Diego, Leah, Willow, Marshall, North, Cleo, Tilly, Lila, Jay, and Thea. Mrs. Cook has got so many superstars. You are working so hard in year 2. It's lovely to see. And lovely to see lots of smiley faces. Really lovely to see all the way through, from your maths, your English, your writing, your spellings, your time, working on all the different things that you are doing. It's so lovely to see. Please keep it up. Mrs. Cook has been blown away. But the final golden ticket goes to none other than Cleo. Well done, Cleo. Look at that big smiley face. All the way through, Cleo. You have got a smile on your face in every single photo, whatever you are doing. Whether that's out on adventures, whether that's art that you're doing, digging up the garden as well with your sister. It's really lovely. Again, I keep saying, please get on with our siblings, our brothers and our sisters. Look out for each other, play nicely, take care of each other. Cleo, really well deserved, hun. Lovely smiley faces. Please keep that up. Look out for this. The postman is bringing it today to you. Huge congratulations, hun. Thank you. Finally, just leaves me to say, and just as a little reminder, you would have heard a lot of this in the press and on the news, obviously schools remain closed. So at the moment we are planning and looking for a September restart for all of those children. So please bear that in mind. I've got stay safe, stay positive, stay healthy. The next shout out is Friday the 19th of June. We are here to support you all the while. If you need us, email us, text us, whatever that is, come and see us. We can support you in whichever way you need. Stay safe, guys, and until next week, bye-bye.